Yo, what's up, guys? We're actually at Flip's garage today, not Big's garage. We're back again with a little update on the LS R32 build. Flip's trying to crank the... What are we getting? What are we doing here?
Harmonic balancer or crank pulley.
Okay, there we go. Coming off. He had taped off the block. And probably furthermore inspected the oil pan after I left that day.
Yeah, a little bit, not too much. I didn't pull the windage tray. I just kind of looked down there to see what we're looking at.
Down in the abyss.
Yeah, pretty much. Although I didn't look that day to see if anything was bent, so probably even take a peek today and figure out.
Hopefully this comes off with ease. This is the task at hand right now.
Here with the wall.
Slow. What's it on right now? 2? Maybe put it on 1. That thing is rowdy. It's coming.
And now we gotta back it off. Back that nut up, or bolt up a little bit. Damn things.
Hola, papi.
We're falling apart. Where did that even come from? So that one's there. Oh, right here.
Yeah, she slid off pretty good though. Better readjust.
Yep.
And continue. Yep, we're gonna finish sending it off. Alright, that should be it.
Ready?
Yep. Should come off now. That was a slight bit heavier than expected. This whole nose my left hand.
I did not expect that. I thought it would have had like a little lip.
That's nice though.
Hell yeah.
Impact coming in. Tater.
Watch.
Doesn't even know I have it here, but you do know.
Yep. Alright. Now we can get this timing cover off. Get a little light on the old girl. See how we're looking?
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, that seal was clapped.
I was drunk.
Got a keyway on there. Yeah, the guy shoved rags in it when he pulled it. I just pulled them all out as we were pulling up.
Yeah.
The rags were rusted in.
I seen him up there, yeah, just rough.
Fucking rowdy. Alright, well.
She needs to get a hot tank.
She ain't getting it. I mean, I did a rust treatment on both sides of the blocks. Both sides of the blocks are going to get painted.
Yeah, they look better.
Wire wheeled and all that good stuff. There was some stuff that I couldn't get out, but it's a whole greasy LS. She's just getting a good spray job.
It's literally a junkyard LS. Well, not literally, but essentially.
Pretty much. I mean, it was pulled out of a rolled over rig.
It was going to go to the junkyard.
Yeah, exactly. So... Alright, grab some 10 mils and honestly I might just say fucking use a little 1/2 inch on her.
Use the old like that?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. My cousin Josh doesn't like when I do that.
I lied it.
I know he doesn't like that. But I always do it anyways.
Oh, we won't be safe around here. I gotta have a box or something laying around for these.
There's a pre-filter dust and orders box. Stick them in there.
That'll do. Actually, you know what I lied? I'll throw them on the ground. When I get the cover off, I'll put them back in. It's gonna be a greasy fucking mess behind this thing.
Hopefully she just comes right off.
Well, we'll see.
Is this in there?
Oh, good. Good eye. Thinking so. Definitely was.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, what was I
She's
thinking?
gonna want the old flathead.
She's gonna want the flathead treatment. I get it. She's a whore for flatheads. Ooh. Oh.
There she goes. She sounded like a tomb opening up. Ooh, that.
Oh my god.
That crusty.
She high mileage?
She a crusty girl.
Yeah, you ain't kidding there. I'm gonna try and turn this thing maybe. There we go.
A little light on her so we can see what we got.
Definitely higher mileage, or they had no fucking idea how to maintain a vehicle. one of the two. Well, there's the crank mark up there, or the timing mark. I'm wondering if I doubt I'll be able to spin it over with this one. Yeah, no way.
Have you the old college try?
Actually, what I can do.
Alright. Flip wants to see this mechanism moving and turning.
Don't just catch something to do fucking math. Alright. She got some fucking impression on it.
Yeah. Those are lining up.
Timing is spot fucking on. Let's go.
That's nice, yo. Are you gonna do a timing kit on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you plan on ripping it, so.
I mean,
She's gonna take some.
she's got some slap, but it didn't skip a tooth. I mean, maybe that's normal, you know. I don't
Right.
I don't know.
We're not
LS is
familiar with LS, right?
so. But I mean, it definitely is a high mileage engine, so I'm sure that probably needs a little love.
Not to compare my Chevy Cavalier to a LS engine, but that's what went on my fucking Chevy Cavalier was the timing chain. I think it was actually the guides.
Well, I suppose pull this bolt out, and I just wanted to line up.
Make sure everything looks
Timing.
copacetic. Look good.
Yeah, fuck these friction rings are.
Alright, so yeah, you heard the man. We're just gonna take the bolt off.
First,
You're gonna try to
Which-
take the oil pump off.
I can just take these two sides off. Nice chuck I got there, huh? Yeah, that old girl needs Jesus.
That'll happen on those bigger jobs.
Yep. I got a big old pair of. There we go. That'll work.
Big old pair right here. That'll work.
So we gotta go that way with it. Oh yeah.
You want some of that?
Yeah, fucking TIT tight, baby. No, she don't want
No,
that.
she might want some of that.
If she keeps acting like this, is gonna get some of that.
Oh yeah, that was no need to overkill, you know. No reason to bring a shotgun.
To a pillow fight.
Blow it apart. I know there's not the best
You want a
lighting.
flashlight?
I can hold it for you.
Just to help.
Flashlight monkey. Because I mean the viewers can't really see what's going on, but we're trying. There we go.
Oh, that ain't very good either. This one's almost dead. This one's just awkward, but and if you push that thing forward, it gives it brighter.
Well, I'm still trying to hover myself because I'm sitting on an air compressor and I don't want to put my weight on it.
Oh, here, let me get you one of these.
Flip says here, pal.
I got another one somewhere.
This is raw footage, people. This is the
Right,
stuff we
absolutely.
live. The stuff we live for. LS, huh? So a guy at the drift track. Tell it like a ghost story. A guy at the drift track one time. No, I'm just kidding. But he told me if my car ever blew up to get another VQ and not to LS swap it, which probably wise words. You know, because the guy kind of seemed like he knew what he was talking about. But at some point, I feel like the G35 deserves an LS. So I just don't want to boost it. Why boost it when you can get so much power with one of these? That's just my thoughts. I could be wrong. Come on, puppy.
I don't know how these...
There are screws on the bottom.
It's looking like we got... Oh, I'm a dumbass. Oil pickup tube is still on it. We gotta flip it over and pull some pull some stuff.
Oh. Cut. Okay, so here we are. Now. Now we can get that off, but he's gonna take the screw out over there. The whole tube will come off. Live and learn, boys. Live and learn.
Yeah, absolutely.
I like the light. We got the extra. We got the flashlight on deck.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Damn, you got a lot more patience than me, Flip.
What is it?
I would have been impacting all this stuff. All day.
You valid,
all
bro.
fucking day.
You
dude.
valid, bro.
Like, I don't know, like, you're not going on. You're coming off.
Yeah.
It's okay. I mean, this might be a fucking slight bit overkill. Oh, dude.
See, light work.
Oh.
Maybe.
No, those are so greasy they ain't getting stuck.
Boop.
Whee!
I like how it's got a wind up on it.
Comes off real easy now.
Over the studs.
Couple wiggles and a shimmy. There we go.
Actually, probably could pull the pickup tube off, spray it out, and see if any chunks come out.
Yeah, the chunks.
Alright, a couple more 14s, and we'll see if we got bent rods. See what we got going. Doesn't look like anything's bent.
No, everything looks everything looks good. Looking pretty solid. Looking like it's about to fucking take some beating in an R32 is what it looks like.
See the light?
There you go.
Dude, even the walls look good on the bottom. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of shit on the bottom of the pistons. So obviously there's fucking compression. They ain't leaking past rings.
Alright, looking to oil sitting in there.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, over here. Cool.
Not bad, not bad. Could have seen worse. But we didn't expect worse though.
Exactly.
You know, because as far as we're concerned, it was a running fucking vehicle. So
Exactly. I mean, definitely, it's been used. But I ain't worried.
she's about to get used more. That's
She's
for
about to
sure.
get beat.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, dude, literally. Hell yeah.
All right,
That's all she needed.
nice little pops. That fucking gun's so powerful. I had to take my wheels off for Flipper to balance them.
Yeah.
And not exactly sure what happened. I think I accidentally flipped the driver to on for a little bit. and I tried to take the lug nut off, so it put it on pretty good. I went to take it off, it wouldn't come off, so I just had to turn that fucking thing to 3 and just send it until it snapped the stud off. Good thing I had 6 more replacement studs though. So I got that all fixed up already, and it was like it never even happened. But over here, I'm yapping. Flip's got the chain off.
Chain gear. Alright.
It's analyzing stuff. And then we kind of jumped into putting the oil pan and stuff back on, but we seen what we needed to see in there. And now we're just doing more investigation. I'm sorry if this kind of stuff is boring to you guys, but like, you kind of got to see this stuff to get to the good stuff.
Valid.
So like, it'll be super cool to see this, and then when we do Flipper's video, when it's finally going, like, it'll just be really cool to see all this, I think, so. That's why I honestly begged him to let me document all this stuff.
Alright. You want to try and pull this cam? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but
We're gonna try.
yeah, we'll figure it out.
Alright, so Flip's pulling all the lifters up. He's lifting the lifters.
And I am replacing all of them, that's why I'm using a screwdriver. So before all the comments start. Oh, come on, bitch.
The daddy. I can see it spinning in there.
And on the camera chain plate, it's pretty easy to see.
There's some holes telling us if the cam is up or down, right?
The lifters.
Lifters are up or down.
It's apparently they're all up, so I'm just gonna try and rotate this cam. Screwdriver. Oh, I don't know if we'll be able to get the angle right.
Oh, hit that angle, Poppy.
Ooh, that feels tight. I
It'll
like
look,
that.
it'll look tight.
Ooh.
What?
I don't know what's going on here. Oh, it's screwing in. Nope.
No.
Oopsie.
And all the lifters are up.
Okay. Panic. Too bad I don't have like a slide hammer. What the hell's going on?
What's going on here?
Call
A slide hammer, Flipper? No.
on that surface, try to pull back.
Alright, well, I don't want you guys to see any of this. We'll get back to you later on.
Oh, yep.
Alright. After all that wiggling and worming, there she be.
There's the old bump stick.
No.
Fucking blah, 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 blah. Alright, well, we'll save this to grow for later.
Anybody looking for an LS cam?
$25.
25 bucks.
How do you know if these bearings are good? Do we know that?
No idea.
You don't look marred up or anything.
Flip Daddy inspection says, yeah, they don't look so bad.
I mean, I'm not a professional. Right?
No, she looks like she'd take a fucking fat lobe stick.
Oh, she gonna take a fat lobe stick.
Whether she wants to or not.
Yeah, damn right.
Yeah, that would be one way to do her.
VCOLS, baby. All right.
Making some progress tonight.
Yeah.
All right, so
I do want to mention, though,
okay.
I may look like I'm just throwing shit around, but I do be liking my build, all right?
Yeah.
She's going to get treated with care on the way back together.
Well, yeah. For now, it's it's gonna get gone back through again. Things are gonna get changed.
Yeah. I mean, there's no metal, and that's the biggest thing, right?
Right. I mean, if there's no scoring on them and stuff too, I mean.
I don't see any.
Let's see if we can.
I'm trying to see what's going on.
I can't get you guys in there any further.
Alright.
Yeah, we got the timing chain cover off, the gear, the chain, the cam, yep. The old fucking captain shit. I was gonna pick it up. It's not together. Thought I was gonna hold it like a fucking captain ship wheel. You guys knew what I was thinking about. Arr, mateys. Use your imagination. Get this all sealed back up. It's pretty much all we got for tonight, hey?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I might take a little bit of time to clean that gasket surface so I can tape all that off as well.
Right.
But that won't take too long. I also can multitask while doing it, but the air compressor's loud as fuck.
So Flip's gonna take these bolts out, clean this all up, scrape it, wire wheel it or whatever, spray it down with some brake cleaner, tape it up, make it look nice. But like I had mentioned, it's pretty much all we got for tonight. So Flip's I wanted him to cover. He had got some quotes for some engine work and stuff, and there's no reason for me to blab about it. I wanted you guys to hear from Flipper.
Alright, so I originally was going to get new rod bearings put in, get the block decked, but then I realized there's a reason people do LS swaps, and that's because you can grab a 350,000 mile motor, shove 20 psi through it, and make 800 for 3 years. So I'm going to leave the block alone. Probably have someone that's a little more mechanically inclined check out all these rod bearings for me, make sure we're good to go there. But pretty much after we get this cleaned up and taped up, it's going to sit here for a while until I got money for parts. I'm going with a TSP Stage 3 turbo cam, and that comes with valve seats, valve seals, dual valve springs. So when I drop the heads off to get decked at the shop, I'm going to have them put all the springs and valve seals and all that good stuff in. And then, yeah, after that comes, it'll pretty much just be here and there, throwing some stuff on, slowly making it a motor again.
And we are not all rich.
Valid.
So none of this shit happens overnight.
You're damn right.
So all this stuff takes time. But you guys taking just a little peek at old girl, you know? We've already done this, but old girl.
She's loving people looking at it.
Oh yeah.
She deserves some attention here and there.
And the wheels that are on my Infinity, the swoop and digging ones, those were supposed to be on here, and those ended up on my car. And the rear wheels that were on this car are now on my car.
Yeah.
The Steel and Flips wheel setups.
That's alright. Someone will use them.
Yeah. The old carbon hood.
Carbon dust hood.
But that's all we got for today. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
Gotta do it.
Have a nice night.